Hi students, good morning and welcome to another episode of English class. In the previous classes, we completed our poem, The Cross Line. Our first lesson is the poem, The Cross Line, that we completed in the previous class. Today we are moving on to the exercises. Okay, first one, restive. I had already told you the meaning and we discussed about the meaning. Restive means restless. What is the meaning of restive? Restless. Then the second word is caper and prance. Caper and prance, that is move and dance playfully. Next word, pegs. Pegs here means clip, cloth clips. Then make sentences from the given words. Next second is sentence making. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E. Sentence making. M-A-K-I-N-G. Sentence making. Okay, first word given to us is, which is the first word given to us for sentence making? Pegs. P-E-G-S. P-E-G-S. That is already written in your text, and use your pencils to write in the text. And whenever I teach in the class, you should write in your text. Okay. Pegs means, what is the meaning of pegs? Do you know the meaning? Yes, the hooks or clips that are used to clip cloths in a cloth line. That is clip. We are saying it simply clip. It is known as pegs. P-E-G-S. Pegs. Okay, let us make a sentence. He lifted his shirt from a peg. He, right? He, H-E. He lifted, L-I-F-T-E-D, lifted. Do you finish? He lifted his shirt. His shirt, S-H-I-R-T, shirt from the clip, from the peg, P-E-G. Okay, is it clear? He lifted, spelling L-I-F-T-E-D. He lifted his shirt from the clip, from the peg. Peg means clip. I will say it once again. Please listen. He lifted, L-I-F-T-E-D, lifted his shirt, S-H-I-R-T, shirt from the peg. Okay, then second word is handkerchief. Second word, handkerchief. H-A-N-D-K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F, handkerchief. H-A-N-D-K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F, handkerchief means use handkerchief while sneezing. The piece of cloth that we use with us or use in our hand is called a handkerchief. That is, there is an instruction. This sentence is an instruction. Use handkerchief while sneezing. Okay, use. You write use, U-S-E. Use handkerchief. Use handkerchief. Spelling H-A-N-D, hand, K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F, kerchief. The same one word, it is a one word, handkerchief, H-A-N-D-K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F. Use handkerchief while sneezing, W-H-I-L-E. It is not bite, it is while, at the time of sneezing, S-N-E-E-Z-I-N-G, sneezing. Sneezing means, what do you mean by sneezing? Tummal. Use handkerchief while sneezing. Use a handkerchief while sneezing. Okay, look at these two words and the sentences you made by these words. P-E-G-S, pegs. He lifted, L-I-F-T-E-D. He lifted his shirt from the peg. He lifted his shirt from the peg. Okay, then second word is handkerchief. Use handkerchief while sneezing. While means at the time sneezing, use a handkerchief. Use handkerchief at the time of sneezing. Okay, then let us have a look at the other page. Page number 10. Take page number 10. The next segment is tick the correct answer. Page number 10 beginning. The clothes are hung in dash. Two options are there. First one, a row on clothesline. Second one, from the tree. Which one is correct? A row on clothesline. Okay, you take the first option. A row on a clothesline. First one, A R-O-W, row on clothesline. C-L-O-T-H-E-S-L-I-N-E, a row on clothesline. A row on clothesline. A row on clothesline. Second one, the clean clothes seem, first option, to be falling down as white as snow. Which one is correct? The second option is correct. As white as snow. The clean clothes seem, second one, as white as, white, W-H-I-T-E, as white as snow. As white as snow. The clean cloth seem as white as snow. Next one. The poets dash flew away. The poets dash flew away. First option, handkerchief. Second option, shirt. All of you know which is the correct answer. Handkerchief. H-A-N-D-K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F. Handkerchief. The poets dash flew away. Handkerchief. Okay, I will read this once again. A row on clothesline. First one. Second one. As white as snow. As white as snow. Third one. Handkerchief. I will read this full sentence once again. Okay, you please listen. The clothes are hung in a row on clothesline. Second one, the clean clothes seem as white as snow. Third one, the poet's handkerchief flew away. Is it clear? Yes. Next one, question answer. First one. Why do the clothes seem to be hand in hand? That is the first question. This you need not write in your notebook. I will send the notes to you in the WhatsApp. Okay, the notes will come to you. Now I am writing the question answers to make you familiar with the meanings of the question and answers. Okay, then why do the clothes seem to be hand in hand? Why do the clothes seem to be hand in hand. Hand in hand. Question mark. Why do the clothes seem to be hand in hand? The first line, listen to the first line. Hand in hand, they dance in a row. Why do the clothes seem to be in hand? Because the clothes were hung on a row. The clothes, answer. The clothes were hung in a row. So they seem to be, so the clothes were hung in a row. So it seems to be, so they seem to be hand in hand. Hand Why do the clothes seem to be hand in hand? Read the question, then read the answer. The clothes were hang in a row. The clothes were hang in a row. So they seem to be hand in hand. They are put in a row. The clothes were put in a row. So the clothes seem to be hand in hand. They are one cloth is put here, one cloth in another cloth line, not like that. The cloths were put on a row, on the same cloth line in a row. So it is seen to be hand in hand. Okay. Then next question. Why was the handkerchief struggling wildly? Why was the handkerchief? Second question, listen. Why was the handkerchief? Why was the handkerchief? K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F, handkerchief, struggling, S-T-R-U-G-G-L-I-N-G, struggling. Why was the handkerchief struggling wildly? Wildly. Why was the handkerchief struggling wildly? Do you know the answer? Why was the handkerchief struggling wildly? The answer is the handkerchief was struggling wildly because it wanted to free itself from the cloth line. The handkerchief was struggling, S-T-R-U-G-G-L-I-N-G, struggling wildly because it wanted, W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted to free itself from the cloth line, from the cloth line. Where was the handkerchief now? At the beginning, the handkerchief was in the cloth line. It was struggling wildly. Why do the handkerchief struggle? Why was the handkerchief struggling wildly? What was the reason? The handkerchief was, please listen here. The handkerchief was struggling wildly to free itself from where? From the cloth line. The handkerchief was struggling wildly, strong struggle. It was struggling wildly to free itself from where? From the cloth line. It was struggling wildly to free itself from the cloth line. Okay. I read these two question answers once again. Why do the clothes seem to be hand in hand? The clothes were hang in a row. So it is seen to be. So they seems to be hand in hand. Okay. Next one. Why was the handkerchief struggling wildly? The handkerchief was struggling wildly because it wanted to free itself from the cloth line. It wanted to free itself from the cloth line. Okay. Third question. What similes has the poet used for the handkerchief? What similes? Third question. What similes? W-H-A-T. What simile? Simile means similes. Upamikura. What similes? Similes does has the poet used for? Similes has the poet used for? Has the poet used for? What similes has the poet used for the handkerchief? For the handkerchief. What similes has the poet used for the handkerchief. 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 What similes do the poet use for the handkerchief? For describing the handkerchief, what are the words or similes used by the poet? Or in what are the ways or in which ways the poet describes the handkerchief? For what the poet compares the handkerchief? What are the similes? The poet used the similes like fairy tale witches or used for the handkerchief. The similes used for the handkerchief are the similes 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 used for the handkerchief The similes used for the handkerchief are fairy tale witches, FAIRYTALE, fairy tale witches, and restive horses, RESTIVE, restive horses. The similes used by the poet for the handkerchief. By the poet, there is no need to write that. The similes, simile means upama. The similes used for the handkerchief are fairy tale witches. At first, the poet describes the handkerchief is dancing like a fairy tale witch, and then describes that it is like a restive horse. Okay, the similes used for the handkerchief are fairy tale witches and restive horses. Okay, next question. Will the poet be able to find the handkerchief? Why? Next question. Fourth question. Will the poet P-O-E-T. Will the poet be able to find the handkerchief? To find the handkerchief. Will the poet be able to find the handkerchief? Why? Will the poet be able to find the handkerchief? Did he find the handkerchief? No, the poet will not be able to find the handkerchief. The poet, one more word is there. No, the poet will not be able to find the poet will not be able to find the handkerchief. Because BECAUSE, because it may hid in a ditch. Ditch means pit. It may hid in a ditch, DITCH, or drowned in the sea, or DROWNED, drowned in the sea, SEA, in the sea. Okay, you please listen. Third and fourth questions once again. What similes has the poet used for the handkerchief? Or what are the words used by the poet to describe the handkerchief? Okay, answer. The simile is used. I am reading it so many times because I want to make you thorough with the lesson or make you familiar with all the words. Okay, the similes, please listen. The similes used for the handkerchief are, which are the words? Fairy tale witches and restive horses. Fairy tale witches and restive horses. Next question. Will the poet be able to find the handkerchief? Did the poet find the handkerchief? No. No, the poet will not be able to. That means he wouldn't. He will not be able to find the handkerchief. Why? Because it may hit in a ditch. It may fell into a ditch or drowned in the sea. These are the 4 question answers that will come to you in the notes. Now you study it. After the notes will come to you, you watch this episode once again and then you will be familiar with all the question answers. I am telling it so many times. You may be bored by that, but I am telling it so many times. I am repeating it because I want to make you familiar with all the question answers and the words and explanations. Okay. Next segment. The clause, here are 2 lines and after that to read these 2 lines and answer the questions that follows. First, I write that line here. Or you will look at the notebook and I will write the answers. Like restive horses, they caper and prance. Like fairy tale witches, they wildly dance. These are the 2 lines. Who are they? First question. Who are they? Who are they? Who are they? Who are they? The answer. They are the clouds. They are the clouds. C-L-O-T-H-S. They are the clouds. Who are they described? Who is described as the they? The word they is used to describe the clouds. The word they is used to describe the clouds. Next question. Why are they resting? Why are they resting? All the time. Second one. Why are they resting? Why are they resting? R-E-S-T-I-V-E. Why are they resting? They are resting because they are always A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. They are always dancing. They are always dancing. Why are they resting? Restless. Resting means restless. They are always acting. They are always moving. They are always dancing. They are always dancing. They are always dancing. First question. Who are they? Who are they? They is in front of comma. Who are described as they? They are the clouds. They are the clouds. Second one. Why are they resting? Why are they described as resting? They are always dancing. The answer is they are always dancing. Next question. Why do they sing wild but happy? Third question. Why do they sing? Why do they sing? They sing wild but happy. Wild but happy. They sing wild but happy. What is the reason? Why do they sing wild but happy? They are wild but happy because they sing wild but happy. Because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because B-E-C-A, but we are pronouncing it as because. They seem wild but happy because they want to free themselves. They want to free themselves. T-H-E-M-S-C-L-D-E-S. They want to free themselves. Our third question, listen to the third question. Why do they seem wild but happy? They seem wild but happy because they want to free themselves. Because they want to free themselves from the clothesline. Themselves from the clothesline. Okay. I will read these three question answers once again. You please listen. Who are they? They are the clowns. Why are they restive? R-E-S-T-I-V-E. They are always dancing. Answer. Next question. Why do they seem wild but happy? They seem wild but happy because they want to free themselves from the clothesline. They want to free themselves from the clothesline. Okay. Next segment, page number 11. Write some rhyming words from the poem and add some of your own. One has been done for you. First one, R-O-W, rhyming words, R-H-Y-M-I-N-G, rhyming words. Rhyming words. Next one, snow, S-N-O-W, snow, then glow, G-L-O-W, glow, then now, N-O-W. Which are the rhyming words? Raw, S-N-O-W, snow, G-L-O-W, glow, then N-O-W, now. Sorry, M-O-W, more. M-O-W, listen here once again. Snow, glow, more. Snow, sorry, raw, snow, glow, more. Next word, sun. S-U-N, sun. Fun, F-U-N, fun. Fun. Then run, R-U-N, run, B-U-N, bun. Okay, then next one, prance, P-R-A-N-C-E, prance. Then dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance. Glance, G-L-A-N-C-E, glance. Then chance, C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. Next word, free. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Free. F-R-E-E, free. The words are S-E-E, see. Then G-H-E-E, ghee. Next one, D-E-G-R-E-E, degree or agree or disagree. We can write so many words. Okay, please listen here. Rhyming words, what do you call rhyming words? The words ending with the same letters are called, same letters or pronunciation are called rhyming words. R-O-W, row. S-N-O-W, snow. G-L-O-W, glow. M-O-W, more. Next word, S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Then F-U-N, fun. R-U-N, run. B-U-N, bun. Okay. Then next one, P-R-A-N-C-E, prance. Here D-A-N-C-E, dance. Then G-L-A-N-C-E, glance. Next word C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. C-E, chance. C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. Okay, next word F-R-E-E, free. Then S-E-E-C, G-H-E-E, ghee. D-E-G-R-E-E, degree. Once again, row, snow, blow, mow. Sun, fun, run, bun. Next one, trance, dance, glance, chance. Next one, free, see, ghee, degree. Okay, these are the rhyming words. One more segment is there. Listening and speaking. Look at the picture. What are they talking about? Here is a boy crying and here is another boy, and what are they talking about? Create a dialogue. You can create a dialogue on their speaking. Okay, today let us wind up our class, and let's continue in the next class. There are 2 more pages for doing comprehension that we will do in the next class. Thank you.